My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 Peugeot 2008. This vehicle has done just over 8,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the right, we have automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access radio, smartphone integration, applications, driving, climate control, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.